Good everyone, welcome to Lucky Digital World. Today I'll be teaching you affiliate marketing. Now what is an affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means connecting a buyer to the seller. When the buyer buy the product, the affiliate gets a commission for so doing. For instance, I want to buy a land and I don't know where to get the land, and Mr. John knows the exact place I can buy the land. Mr. John will take me to the place. After I have successfully purchased the land, I will pay Mr. John a commission for connecting me to the seller, and the seller will also pay Mr. John certain percentage for bringing me to buy the land. So that is exactly how affiliate marketing works. Now, Mr. John there is doing the work or has done the work of an affiliate marketer. As an affiliate marketer, your concern is to help other people sell their product using the internet as a vehicle to drive traffic to the offer. So that is how it works. Why is affiliate marketing so interesting? Why is this so interesting? Maybe you have been hearing affiliate marketing. Why is this affiliate marketing so interesting? That people are talking about it all the time. Why is affiliate marketing so interesting? One, in affiliate marketing, you don't need to worry about creating the product. But your job is just to promote the product with a link. When you register to any site that do affiliate marketing, once you register, you will get a link that you'll be using to promote any product. Then that product that you promote, when they buy it, it will show in the system that so link is responsible for this sale. Then you will get your commission. Some site like Expartner, I think they pay every week, like every Friday. They pay every Friday. Second one is, you don't need to buy the product before you can market, not at all. Even though you don't buy the product, your own is just to, after you have registered to the site that does affiliate marketing, your own is just to promote it. Even though you buy, you don't buy, you can still promote product. And when other people. When anyone buys the product, you will get your commission. 3, you don't need to create a marketing system from scratch. Your only job is to drive traffic using your affiliate link. Yes, that is it. Your work is to just drive traffic with that your link, and you get a commission. And you are hearing affiliate marketing. How does this affiliate marketing work? Now, buyer connects to affiliate, that is contact affiliate. Then affiliate will now direct the buyer to the main seller. While the second one, affiliate direct the buyer directly to the main seller. I think this second option, many sites that do this affiliate marketing, they make use of this second option, and I prefer this second option. The affiliate directs the buyer to the main seller, and through the link, and you will get commission for doing that. Now, if you want to start affiliate marketing, just find sites that do affiliate marketing, like Espania, Shopify affiliate program, Amazon affiliate, ad promoter, etc. This Espania, I think they sell digital products. What you have to do, just register to the site, to the program, register. Then I think they pay this Espania, they pay every Friday. They will not just pay you. You have to, if anyone buy that product that you promote using that your link, then it will show in the system that so person, this product that so person bought, is also link that promote it. Then you will get your commission for so doing. So that is how it works.